Friends, we are all aware about this gentleman who created a revolution in India as far as entrepreneurship is concerned, and that also against all odds. Dhirubhai had a dream. He dreamt of India becoming a great economic superpower, and through his life, he showed the country that nothing was impossible if you set your mind to it. If that isn't an inspiration, then nothing ever can be inspiring. Dhirubhai Ambani arrived in Mumbai with just 500 rupees and built a $75 billion entrepreneur enterprise by the time that he left this world. Friends, it's very interesting to understand that everything that we plan and decide, including a wish list, it's all in the mind. The subconscious mind is the powerful secondary system that runs everything in your life. Learning how to stimulate the communication between the conscious and the subconscious minds is a powerful tool on the way to success, happiness, and riches. Hence, every entrepreneur must have a business wish list. Now, what can you wish for? Let us understand what can you wish for. Almost anything and everything what you wish for will direct your actions to fulfillment. So wish list, according to me, is also the law of manifestation, which will attract the right resources for you to recreate your destiny or to add and modify your destiny. Friends, some examples of business wish list could be, for example, better government policies related to your business, better financial facilities, better vendors, better markets, better advertisements, better communication, better products, better product and services, or better infrastructure. We always keep having that wish list. Yes. Now, all want this kind of luxury to live in, especially today when we realize the importance of a house. Fortunately, I'm into villa development. Now, this is what I would want as my wish list as an entrepreneur in the real estate sector. In the current business climate, my wish list for real estate business is like the following 4 points. Point number 1, bank should offer 90% bank loan to my buyers with 1 year of payment holiday and 4 years of moratorium period, so that they are comfortable to make big purchases and the money will start churning into the economy. Government should add more local trains and more train stations, and Mumbai should have train stations going up to 200 kilometers from Bandra along with the national highway. Now, Bandra I consider as the center of Mumbai. It is equidistant from Borivali, from Thane, from Navi Mumbai, and from Churchgate and VT. So from here, 200 kilometers, if government can start trains, it will be fantastic. It will boost up the economy, and that's what the government is planning anyways. Financial institutions should upload data of stranded projects which developers like St. Angelo's VNCD Ventures can pitch and start the development and complete them and give relief to the buyers. Platforms like Business Opportunities Club, Corporate Connections, Saturday Club, various chambers of commerce can connect with us and do bulk buying at better prices and facilities and create a win-win situation. So people can buy 5 villas or 10 villas from St. Angelo's VNCD Ventures, and we can give better prices and better facilities. Friends, all failures and success begins in the mind. The assumptions in our mind drive our actions and thoughts. It is this condition that makes us feel powerful. It is very important to have the right thoughts, and wish list is nothing but having the right thoughts in your mind so that your subconscious mind is helping you to build your business model.